One thing about me is I have a lot of things, especially a lot of clothes. So that means when the seasons come, I have to switch out everything. And I have a lot of clothes. So I got these vacuum sealed bags. They are going to just make my storage look a lot better rather than just having my clothes stuffed away and not look organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all what they look like. Okay, so they come just like this, and it comes with its own little vacuum pump. I thought I was gonna have to use a vacuum, but it comes with your own, so that's really convenient, and saves me so much time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bag up right here. And it comes with a lot of bags. I did not expect this either, which is super exciting. So that means I can literally have as many clothes as I want packed away. I don't have to worry about getting rid of clothes or anything. So I just have, and they're big, look at this size. The vacuum sealed is gonna be right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna use this bag right here. As you can see, I just have some examples. So I just have this cardigan. I'm gonna go ahead and fold her up like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I just have this t-shirt right here. Like I said, does not have to be perfect because it's gonna get sealed away. So I'm just gonna stuff them in here like this. I'm going to seal it. And in case you don't know what you're doing, it has instructions on the bag as well as instructions right here and right here. So what you're gonna do now is you're going to take this cord. It is a USB-C or just a regular USB. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a block, plug it in, let's get started. Okay, I have my extension cord in my block. I'm just going to take the USB-C, plug it in there. You can hear it. I'm gonna turn it off. All you have to do now, so now that I have this, you're gonna take this knob off right here. It's just sitting right here. You're gonna take it off. You're gonna, I guess, unravel it. You're gonna stick this like that so it's on there and watch the magic happen. It is sealing this bag so tight. It is shrinking as it goes, so I think that's really cool. Now that I'm done, take that off. You're gonna put this cap back on there, and you're gonna make sure that it is tight, like that. So you can see how it was poofed up, it had a bunch of air in it, the clothes were still sticking up. If I wanted to, I could definitely take a lot more air out of here, but I don't need to, and I have so many more bags to put stuff in. This is going to save me so much room, and I'm so happy I got these because now I don't have to get rid of clothes, which I struggle doing. And if I want to take these while I'm packing, you can take it traveling. So this can make packing easier, make storage more convenient, and it comes with everything you need so you don't have to worry about using stuff at home. So if you're looking for some vacuum sealed bags, these are definitely a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.